Hello everyone, welcome to Informatica support videos. This is Pradnya Naik from Informatica GCS. In this video, I will be showing you how to install Secure Agent on Linux operating system. The agenda of this video would be having a look on prerequisites for Linux installation, proceeded with the demo. These are the prerequisites. Let's proceed with the demo. I have already placed the installer in the directory Secure Agent. Let's proceed with the installation now. For installation, you should be using this command. Now it's installing. By default, it will get installed in the directory root/infagent. If you want, you can override this. I'm going with the default one. Installation is in progress. Installation is successful. Now you will have to start the Secure Agent. To start the Secure Agent, you should be going to the directory agent core under infagent/apps. Start the Secure Agent, you should be running infagent.sh startup command. Now the Secure Agent has started successfully. Now you have to register that. To register the Secure Agent, you should be running console agent manager.sh configure token command. This is the token which you will be having while installing the Secure Agent installer, and this is your IDMC username. Now the login is succeeded. Registration of the Secure Agent is completed now. Now you can go to your IDMC console and look for the Secure Agent. Mine is here, INVCDIPC04. It has been registered now. Yeah, here we go. Thank you for watching. For any feedbacks, please reach out to us on supportvideos@informatica.com or at our Twitter handle.